everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So this video I'm gonna be reviewing an item, and this one is from Primark's new collection called Nudes. It caught my eye while I was in the shop because it looks very much similar like KKW contour things, especially the brush and all, but I don't know how much of the truth it is because I haven't opened the pack yet. I have no idea if it's any good or bad. By the way, this costs £8. It's a brand new nudes collection. They do more than contour, they do I think eyeshadows as well and lipsticks and all, but I just grabbed this one for now to see if I like it or not. If I like it, I'll probably gonna purchase more, and if you would like me to, I will review it for you. Leave a comment down below, let me know. So without any further ado, I think we should just open this up. So this one is highlight and contour kit. As you can tell, I have only foundation on my face, haven't contoured or anything yet, so I'm gonna try this out. So it's a package of 4. So first thing is a cream highlighter duo, a brow highlighter, the sponge and a brush thing, don't know if we're gonna actually use it, and then a cream contour duo. So the first one is a PS Nudes cream and highlight duo. Okay, alright, so it has 2 ends. Okay, so the darker is, I don't know if there was any like color ranges in there or anything, because I just grabbed this one. I don't know if it was any choice for a color. Does it say anything on? I think that's the only colors that we have. So this one is a little bit orangey color. I don't know if I would like this for contour. I mean, we're gonna try. And another side is the highlighting part, but this is more as a cream highlighter rather than the highlighting for under eye area, if you guys know what I mean. Is that a highlighter? I don't really understand. Yeah, it has a shimmer in it. It must be a highlighter rather than a contour lighter shade. Another item is this one in here, which is brow highlighter. Alright, perfect. Oh, I like it so far. Oh, nice icy color actually. Hello. Okay, we can do that straight on. We can try this out. Okay, that's cool. Like this one. Not too intense, easy to use. So far, I like this brow highlighter. Then we have this sponge and a brush applicator, which really reminded me KKW Beauty one. It's very dense though, so I don't know. Brush seems fine. And then we have a cream contour duo. Ooh, this is rather very dark. I think we're gonna use the tiniest bit for contouring of that. I'm just gonna compare with this cream highlighting duo, the darker shade, so you guys can see, which is more of an oranging. I think they mean this orangey color for highlighting under eye area, maybe? If that was the idea. If that's true, then it's far too dark for anyone who has a fair skin. It's more for darker skin, man. Okay, so it's 2 dark colors in here. This one is more brownish dark, and this one is more gray dark. So I'm gonna use a gray dark actually. So this cream contour duo, a darker brown color, the grayish undertone, and then we have a cream highlighting duo. We have this kind of orangey color, which is supposed to be for highlighting under your eyes, but it's far too dark for me. And then the actual highlighters. Alright, I think we should just try it, right? So as I mentioned, I'm gonna go with this darker brown grayish kind of color. I don't think it's going anywhere good. It blends so hard, like I literally can't blend it. Oh no, it's a disaster. Oh my god. I don't think we're gonna do anything with this. Never mind, I'll try to fix this. If what, I'm just gonna wipe this all out. So I'm gonna go with this lighter color, which I think is just a highlighter, but I'll try to fix this out. That ain't not working. I'm gonna use this sponge provided, which I feel like just rubbing my foundation off from under because it's so dense and hard. Oh man. And brush is not better. No. Brush is just making it worse. Okay, so far, highly disappointed. Oh, look at this. It's literally a patches of it. From a distance, it might look kind of okay, but it doesn't look good in the mirror because I can see like a patches. It doesn't blend. I'll try to apply a little bit less this time. Maybe it's gonna blend easier. Just look at this. Oh, this is not good. This is like, it doesn't blend. Why? I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, but it just goes in the patches. It's not gonna work, is it? Okay, I tried my best. I'm not gonna do more and contour my forehead and nose because it's just gonna ruin everything. I'll go and clean off my face because I'll see it's not gonna work. So my verdict, as you can tell, that is waste of £8. The brush itself, the sponge, and I think is very dense, very hard. This cream contour duo with two super dark colors, far too dark for me, as you can tell. Doesn't blend at all. It's super hard to blend, impossible nearly to blend. Then you have two lighter shades that they call highlighting shades, and then the brow highlighter, which is the only good thing from all this package. So this brow highlighter cost me £8 then. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review tutorial demo video and you found it helpful. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like me to review next, and I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. I'm going to clean up my face because this is just not good. Okay, bye.